Hello, thank you for joining me again. Today I am making this bonnet. Um, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So what I start by doing is using my stencil that I created. I'm going to make it available at beautifulbonnetbabes.etsy.com. I clip it in place and then I basically cut around the edges, and I'm going to cut the Ankara piece first. And as you can see, it gives me what I need, and I absolutely love this color. I am going to use black to go on the inside, and as you can see, I repeat the same step and I use the same stencil and I cut around it, and I'm going to turn good facing together, and I'm going to leave about an inch to 2 inches of a gap for me to be able to turn it on the inside. But I'm going to stitch everything else down. I'm going to go from one side to the other with a straight stitch. I back stitch first, and then I go around, of course, with my machine. As you can see, I have a little hole there. I'm going to snip the edges so when I turn it in, it can, lay flat. As you can see, I'm turning the fabric inside out carefully, and then I take this part, and you can always lay it down and press your edges to get a better seam, but sometimes for time's sake I just pretty much pull them out, and I use clips to hold them in place. And if you you still can kind of press around that, but I like the clips to hold it, lay it down flat. Then I take it to my machine, and I'm going to go around with a zigzag stitch all the way around about an inch. And of course, we're going to back stitch, do our zigzag all the way around, and I'm going to get my elastic. My elastic is normally about the size between 18 to 20 inches, depending on the size that you're going to make. And as you can see, that last part is a little straight stitch that needs to be done, and you just work it around. And yeah, that's it, guys. Be sure to check out my website, Beautiful Bonnet Babes, where I have patterns, I have bonnets, and so much more. Until I see you guys again, peace and blessings.